Oluwa show me love.
Life is abundant and life is beautiful. Peace is the beauty of life. Life is full of beauty. Dwelling in the beauty of life. To be creative means to be in love with life. Welcome to the beauty of nature in Africa. Africa is known for its beautiful landscape, abundant wildlife, and of course, a wealth of reserves hidden beneath its soil. From the strongest stone in the world, the exquisite diamond, gold, and platinum, to Tanzania's African rarest gem. With its tropical forests, vast rangelands, marine resources, and iconic wildlife, Africa is rich in natural wealth. The natural capital provides invaluable local and global benefits, including food, energy, and water, while also helping to regulate our rapidly heating climate. Currently, Africa has close to 54 sovereign states with diversity among their people and their citizenry. Considering the weather in Africa, warm and hot climates prevail all over Africa, but mostly in the northern parts, is marked by aridity and high temperatures. Only the northernmost and the southernmost fringes of the continent have a Mediterranean climate. There are actual winter seasons in many African countries. In southern African countries, a winter hits from about June to August every year. The 6 main climate zones of Africa are found in the north and south of the equator, namely equatorial, humid tropical, tropical semi-desert, Mediterranean, and desert. A climate region is an area with similar temperature and rainfall. There are over 3,000 different ethnic groups speaking more than 2,000 different languages in all Africa. Natural capital provides up to 50% of total wealth in most African countries, and up to 70% of the African population is dependent on nature for their livelihood. African animals live all across the continent in lots of different habitats. There are over 1,000 different species of mammals in Africa, over 2,600 species of birds, and a massive 100,000 species of insects. The identified diversities of Africa are ethnicity, culture, race, language, socio-economic or class, and religion. The people of Africa practice a variety of religions, including Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Hinduism, and traditional religion, specific to their ethnic group. Broadly speaking, there are 4 types of diversity: internal, external, organizational, and worldview. Internal diversity refers to any traits or characteristics that a person is born with. Usually when it comes to workplace, there are 7 types of diversity we pay attention to, which are cultural diversity, racial diversity, religion diversity, age diversity, sex and gender diversity,
sexual orientation, and disability. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. This is Sterling Inside Africa.
Thank you guys for watching Sterling Inside Africa. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Love ya. Bye.